In this video, we'll see to evaluate the formula to get the centroid of a triangle. It's been given to us the vertices ABC as x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3 respectively. Let's have the median for this triangle from the vertex A. Let's have another median that's coming from vertex C on the side AB. Let's have a third median that comes from B and will come from the intersecting point of the last two medians, and the meeting point, the intersecting point of this medians is called centroid of the triangle. That's the centroid. Let's give the name as G. Centroid divides the median into portions 2 and 1. That means AG to GD is in the ratio 2:1. Similarly, if I see from C, vertex C, and the median CE, then CG will be 2 portions, GE are 1 portions. Then BF is the third median having 2 portions as BG and 1 portions as GF. So our aim is to find out the centroid of the triangle, that is its coordinate. Let's get started. Since median divides the side into 2 equal parts, I know BD is equals to DC. So D is the midpoint of BC. This implies the coordinates of D would be x2 plus x3 over 2, and the ordinate for D would become y2 plus y3 over 2. So this point D has the coordinates x2 plus x3 divided by 2, and this is y2 plus y3 divided by 2. Now let's have a focus on AD. G divides AD in the ratio 2:1. Here we apply section formula. This is my M, this is my N, that becomes my x1. This becomes the whole abscissa, this side x2 plus x3 over 2 becomes my, let's say, x2. So applying section formula here, I have 2 times x2 plus x3 divided by 2 plus 1 times x1 whole divided by 2 plus 1, 3. 2 cancels out. Similar manner, 2 times y2 plus y3 whole divided by 2 plus y1 over m plus n, that makes it 3. So my coordinates for G becomes x1 plus x2 plus x3 over 3. That's the abscissa for the centroid, and y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3 becomes the ordinate for G, which is the centroid of the triangle. So this becomes to evaluate the centroid of the triangle when the 3 vertices are known to us. That's the formula for centroid of a triangle. Also, if you use E or F point as the midpoint of AB and AC, we'll come to the same result for the centroid. G is given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. That's the abscissa, and the ordinate y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 from either of the 3 medians in the triangle. We used AD and we get to the result to get the centroid. That's all. Thank you so much.